Hi, what's up, guys? How are you doing? Welcome to our Sell Like Crazy Academy, where I teach small business owners like you how to grow their business and sell out all their products smart and fast. Today, I am going to be sharing with you the two ways you can start making odds of sales. Perhaps you're finding it hard on Facebook or Instagram to make sales, or you're running advertisements, you're running ads, and they're just messaging you. They are not buying from you. If you are watching this video right now, I'm saying a big congratulations to you, because shortly you will start making odds of sales, because the strategy I'm about to reveal to you is working like atomic bomb, like boom. So I would advise you to watch this video to the very end, because it's very detailed. So if you're new to this channel, please kindly subscribe to this channel, because I share useful tips like this on how to grow your business for 100% free. So thanks. Welcome back. So when we are talking, or when we're discussing about closing of sales, what does that really mean? This is the process of making your prospects who comes into your DM or send you a DM buying from you. You know, if you're finding it hard, whenever you run advertisements, people, you get a lot of message, but they are not buying from you. Perhaps they are telling you, I'll get back to you, or the price is very high. Because that's the two things prospect says a lot of time, and I knew you're very aware of that, because is it that they tell you I'll get back to you, or no, the price is very high. So what are you now going to do? Whenever your prospect say I will get back to you, use this first strategy. It is called the human billboard strategy. How does this work? This is the process whereby you will go on YouTube, you will learn how to create an ebook. Perhaps the ebook might be around 4 pages or 5 pages, but make sure the ebook is detailed with information that will help your prospect. Okay, let me give an instance. Imagine someone into skincare products. You can say 8 skin secrets they really don't want you to know, or 8 skincare secrets they really don't want you to know. Like, whatever product you are into, find a catchy title for it. A title that is attractive and catchy, that your prospect immediately they see it, they feel like, wow, what's this? What's she trying to talk about? They will surely want to click on that ebook and know what the ebook is all about. But I will advise you, if you are the one that having a website, perhaps make sure that ebook is at the down part of your website. Just give your prospect your website, ask them, tell them to scroll down to the end of your website, and they'll find the ebook there where they can know the secret about whatever you want to share with them. But you know, the little trick in that is that whenever your prospect is trying to get that ebook or the file they wanted to know about, while scrolling on your website, they will see a lot of things they really don't. Perhaps you might not send to them on WhatsApp, or they might not see before. They might not know about, or something they don't really know you have. But while they are on your website, they will see series of things perhaps that might change, because you know, at times it is skepticism that stick customers' mind from not buying from you. You know, they were like, I'm afraid I don't want people to get I don't want to get scammed. Like, okay, I might order A, they should bring B. I might do it. You know, every single one of us, there's always skepticism on our mind when it comes to social media or purchasing products on social media. So it is advisable you create an ebook, perhaps 8 important things they don't want you to know about XYZ, the secret behind XYZ, how to do XYZ. So I don't know, you know, just find a title, a catchy title about that your product that people will always want to read. Like, the problem your prospects are having in that 4 or 5 pages ebook, make sure those problem is included in it, and how to sort that problem for them. If you can include that in that your ebook, I can assure you that you will start closing sales. Because imagine I have a problem now. Let's imagine perhaps let me use something as an example. Okay, let me say I'm into furniture products now, and I want to purchase a furniture, but due to the skepticism and I'm afraid, I just saw an advert online. I was like, okay, let me check these people out. I just want to window shop. I really don't want to buy online. I want to visit the store to purchase whatever I want to buy. But due to the fact that I saw this advert online, I'm trying to window shop from them. Now, when I said I will get back to them, they now give me the file saying the 8 furniture purchasing secret they don't want you to know. I will be like, wait, secret they don't want me to know? What can that be? Okay, that is an intrigue. It's going to trigger me to open it, because that title I am saying is something very catchy and attractive. I will always want to open it. And immediately I click on that title, I click on the file, maybe the ebook, or they send me to their website to check it out. Immediately I scroll down to the end of their website, and I saw that. I downloaded it. I go through it, and I see it is something very detailed, something very important, something very useful. Immediately my mind is going to change. My mind is going to calm. I'll feel like, wow, these people can share this kind of information with me for 100% free without even taking a penny from me. Okay, don't worry, I am going to buy from you, because I don't know if you are following me. That trick is something that really works a lot. Like, it really works like magic. Immediately your prospect says, I will get back to you. Send them this file. Send them the ebook. Perhaps it might be a PDF file. If you don't have a website, you can create it as a PDF file and send it to your prospects on WhatsApp, on Instagram, on Facebook. Let them check it out. Immediately they check it out, the skepticism on their mind will change immediately. And I am 100% sure that out of the 100 people that send you a DM, at least 30% of them are going to buy. Because I will always want you to have this at the back of your mind. Whenever you are running an advertisement, don't always believe it is every 100 people that come to your DM will buy from you. No, it will never happen. Not every 100% of people that come to your DM will buy from you. The next strategy I am going to be sharing with you today is called the shop and hook strategy. In fact, I'm really excited to share this strategy with you, because it is something that works every time, like almost every time. It is something that works like fire, like bomb. Okay, it is called the shop and hook strategy. See, the shop and hook strategy, the way it works is like this. Let me give an instance so you would understand better. Every one of us knew that aboki man on that in that your street or in that your area who sell roasted beef. That suya that we do buy. Immediately you get to the front of that aboki man. Perhaps if you are not from Nigeria, you really don't, or you might not understand this. But if you are still in Africa, I think it's almost in all African countries where they sell roasted beef or this aboki man. You should understand what I'm saying. See this aboki man, immediately you get to their front like this. Without saying, aboki, I want to buy suya. Getting to their front, they will cut out of that roasted beef. They will put it in their spices. They will give it to you. Immediately that spices, that suya rather, landed in your mouth, bro. Automatically, you have buy the suya. And one funny thing about this is that if you are going to be buying 100 naira or 200 naira suya earlier, you are going to buy 500 naira suya, because of the way the suya will taste in your mouth, as in how delicious it is. Apart from being delicious, what I am trying to bring out in that is the strategy. It gave you the suya for free testing. Immediately you shop, you are what? You are hooked. You are hooked to what? To buy that suya. I don't know if you get what I'm trying to say. Okay, let me give an instance, another example. Let's take a look at all these Igbo man, professional Igbo man who at Alaba or trade fair. Okay, let me use trade fair. Those Igbo man are selling shoes. Let's assume you get to an Igbo man and you want to purchase a shoe or a footwear for yourself. Immediately you get into their shop, your face started scanning the product they have. The Igbo man will wait. He will observe you. Immediately he saw that your eye is stick to one product, that he immediately feels like you like that product. He will move closer to you immediately, more closer. Like, oh, auntie, see this shoe. You won't believe it. How do you know that it is this shoe they are wearing now? In fact, now this shoe they are wearing now. This shoe. One funniest thing is that People who buy these shoes are not even low class. Until you that can come for this kind of shoe. Funny enough is that this shoe I import about 100 pieces of it. This is the last one I'm having. This is the last one. After this, I'm not having that shoe again. It is until I import another one, because people are just buying it. They are just asking for this shoe, and not just ordinary people. They are big people, big men. Big. If you see, in fact, you know better thing, auntie. You sabi better thing. You know the strategy. In fact, the funniest thing is that if you are putting on size 40 and the shoe is size 39, they will make sure they squeeze your leg. They force your leg to fit in that size 39, and immediately the shoe fits in your leg. You put in your leg in that shoe. If there is any Igbo man or any of his relative or his neighbors around him there, they'll tell you that, wow, auntie, they born you with this shoe. You know, say fine for your leg. Go, this shoe fine. This shoe. Perhaps just in case you can't give something for free, like the Aboki man, but use a strategy that will be attractive. You know, see the way the Igbo man did. He observed the person likes the shoe. He bring it out. After bringing it out, he puts it in your leg. He exaggerates the product. He exaggerates it more. He makes you feel like you are putting on the trending product. Like what's on your feet or your foot rather is the trending product in town. It is something people are using now. It makes you feel like you are in town, and immediately, you know, something will come on your head like, wow. Even though you don't have up to that amount it called, you will still surely want to buy that product. Perhaps you might not buy it from that person, but you are still going to look for that product. And I'm very sure that the Igbo man will convince you until you buy from him. He will do what? He will convince you until you buy from him, because they have business tactics a lot. So yours might be, you might give customer water, immediately they get into your shop or your store. You say, welcome sir, how you doing? Have this. Hey John, get me water there. You call one of your staff, or you go there yourself, you pick the water, you give them. They'll be like, wow, well, you haven't buy anything, you're giving us a water. You don't know, it doesn't mean, even though you don't buy from me today, you're still going to buy from me tomorrow. Like, make them feel relaxed, and immediately they get in, try to create a relationship with them immediately. Like, let's assume I am the store owner, or I'm the seller, and you are the prospect or the customer who wants to buy from me. Immediately you get into my store or my shop, I was, welcome man, how you doing? Welcome. I like this your scarf, auntie. I like it. It's like the one of my customer it was using the other day. When I saw it, I was like, wow, this is beautiful. In fact, now you big people like this, they use them. Me say, I pray make I just be like you. Like, create some kind of joke, create some kind of relationship with them that will make them feel relaxed. Like, wow, I like this person. I don't know if you get it. So with that two strategy, the human billboard strategy and the shop and hook, I can assure you, you will start making odds of sales. Try it out and thank me later. So thank you very much. If you are watching, if you are here for the first time, I would advise you to subscribe in this channel. And you know, I share a lot of tips like this. I share it on this channel. Please kindly subscribe to this channel, and not just that, click on that like button. Not only that, you're free to comment. Let people know we are talking about sales closing. Please kindly drop a comment saying sales closing. Let people know we are talking about sales closing right here. I'm pleading you. Thank you very much, and I will be seeing you next time, where I am going to be bringing more useful content like this to you. Thank you very much. I am Astro Bravos.